All right, Tangerine girl, what's up?
Hello and welcome to our very first ever Christmas in Mexico, specifically Noche Buena, aka
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve.
Well, you want to be in here? Fine.
Feliz Navidad. Ro 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 ro. Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Naughty Dog.
Feliz Navidad, exactly. So first of all, we are going to make a traditional family recipe for my family, a cookie recipe called Coca Mounds. So we have butter, we have oats, we have Alaska, not going in the cookies, we have cocoa, we have milk, and
Why?
we have wine, which is not also going in the cookies. That's just for me. Accompanying us today is Alaska, our husky, and her new boyfriend, Willie.
Would you like to explain the process that you're going through to make this?
So, first of all, you have to measure out each thing exactly, and I do recommend that you have measuring cups that... Okay, apparently Willie does not like a British accent. You put everything into a pan. Well, not everything. You put butter, milk, cocoa... So what you do is you take all the ingredients, and by all of them, I actually don't mean all of them. I mean the cocoa, the sugar, milk, and butter, and you put them in a pan until they all melt together. And when that happens, you put in the rest of it, the oats and the peanut butter. Pretty easy. We'll show you what to do after this. Pout, I'm telling you why. We've got the peanut butter tonight. Can you? She sees me when I'm pouring. She knows it's peanut butter. She's taking a lick. She's wanting it twice. Cause it's peanut butter and she thinks it's so nice. Let's get eat the peanut butter tonight.
Better not cry. Back again. Throw the dagger.
adapted the cookie recipe a little bit to be a little bit more Mexico by adding piloncillo, among a few other makeshift modifications, which is the same sugar that's in cafe de olla. So we're letting those set right now, and we're putting on a Christmas movie. Hi there. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad! It is
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas.
So it is Christmas morning. Jordan is pregnant. He is with goat.
She's not looking. Got her a little something. Tomorrow is Laska's birthday, so we got her a Christmas/birthday present.
And how old is she?
She will be turning 9 tomorrow.
9!
9 years old.
Look at this! 9! How'd you get to be so old, Laska? What was that? Is that a toy? What is it? And Merry Christmas!
Do you want the toy?
I think she likes it. She's like, I want you to have it, but I don't want you to have it. Also, we wanted to say an extra special thank you to everyone who went out of their way to send us a Christmas gift on PayPal. We have that buried so deep in our channel, like description and everything. So thank you so much to those people who sent us a little something for Christmas. That was like totally unexpected surprise, and we're very grateful.
Also, a big thanks to those of you who have sent us something on PayPal any other time, and those of you on Patreon. We really, really appreciate you guys. You guys may have noticed that we haven't been putting out as many videos these last couple weeks, and that's because this holiday season has been pretty difficult on us, and especially on Maddie. So what has it been like for you? You spent every year of your life with family up until now.
Yeah, so family is really important to me. As many of you guys might know, half of my family is Mexican, and we have just a huge, huge family, so getting together has always been really important for us, especially around the holidays. So for a quarter of a century, I've done that every single year, and this year we couldn't go back to the US, so I knew I was gonna start crying. So it's been pretty hard to be away from them.
I noticed that starting around Thanksgiving time, that was hard for you, and then as the last couple weeks approached and you got closer to Christmas, you were having trouble dealing with it.
Yeah, it's there's a lot to being in another culture that's different and unexpected and good and bad. But I look forward to Christmas every year, not because of the presents, but I like listening to Christmas music and spending time with family doing traditions like making cookies. And so not getting to do that and being somewhere where there's just like not Christmas music playing and people don't put lights on their houses and things, and not being able to be around friends or family or anything, it just...
Very little is the same.
Yeah.
And it's tough to deal with.
So if I'm being honest, I'm really glad this Christmas season is ending, and maybe I'll get to have that in the coming months. Whenever we go back to the US, I will have a faux Christmas.
Yeah, and yes, you can play your Christmas music at home, but it's typically not playing when you're out places and things like that.
I just didn't feel like it this year, but I don't want to go on too long complaining or being all depressing, but that is why we haven't been making as many videos lately, and a cocktail of other reasons that have just been making it difficult to cope with putting out videos and criticisms. But we have one video coming up from Merida. We will be going on this super cool tour of pink lakes and seeing flamingos. And where are we going after that for New Year's?
We are going to be in Puerto Morelos for New Year's Eve. I don't know where exactly. We might head to some other local destination, but if you know of anything awesome happening for New Year's that we might want to do or could make a good video, please let us know.
Or that we could get tickets for or something,
Yeah.
because we, in our infinitely great planning ahead, have planned nothing for this, due to partly the reasons that we just talked about.
And like a lot of New Year's stuff, you have to plan months in advance, and that just isn't possible with our schedule.
Yeah, not knowing
We don't know where we're
going
going to be 2 weeks from now.
So we didn't mean to get so sad on you guys, especially around Christmas. We really, really hope you had such an amazing holiday, and I think it would be really cool to hear about some of your family traditions and holiday traditions that you have. And so if you want, share them below in the comments.
One of Maddie's is making those cookies called
Those Coca
Coca
Mounds.
Mounds. Are you going to put that recipe below, or is that a secret recipe?
It's a somewhat secret family recipe, but we'll share it in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos that we have about our travels in Mexico. And gong that bell so you get notified when we put out our new videos.
And we will see you in the next one.